Eternity electoral stocks are some of the most valuable assets in the ecosystem, allowing fans to share in the financial benefits of the project and participate in the DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. These shares are reserved exclusively for the fan community, enabling holders to reap the benefits and contribute to shaping the development of the ecosystem. We allocate 10% of the total revenue from all past and future ownership Eternity products as electoral stocks. Holders of these shares will permanently benefit from the profits and advantages of the entire Eternity ecosystem. EES holders have electoral voting rights. These rights are used to make decisions, such as approving or submitting proposals within the DAO. EES holders receive a share of the ETER from the DAO's pool every 6 months. EES NFT is the world's first decentralized NFT on the blockchain, designed to generate everlasting income for its holders.